What's going on YouTube? This your boy DeVintage, back with another video, man. Today, you read the title, you clicked on it, hit y'all with that thumbnail, hit y'all with the clickbait, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to be talking about these Nike Foamposite Doernbechers that are set to release tomorrow, man, for $230. Before we get into this video, right now, what I need you to do is subscribe. You already know we're right around the corner from that 16K, and you already know the goal is 20K. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, share the videos, like the video, and hit the notification bell for your boy so you never miss a video. And follow me over Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will always be in the description box below, man. So go ahead and give me a follow over there. And with all that being said, you guys, let's talk about these DBs. All right, so first and foremost, I want to say, set the record straight, that I've been like a Foamposite, I guess, collector, you could say, or a Foamposite lover. A lot of people don't like foams, like especially on like my Foamposite reviews and stuff like that. I don't get the same engagement, same feedback as I do with a Jordan, like a Jordan review and our own feet. But with the foams, you kind of got those onesies and twos that really rock with the foams. And you got the other ones that's kind of coming to see like, should I buy the foams? Should I start getting foams? And like I said, I've been getting foams. Let me show you a couple of foams real quick, man, so y'all don't think I'm playing with this. So you already know I copped the Galaxy 2.0s last year, All-Star Weekend, and yeah, they just fire, bro. They just fire. And actually, let me start this off real quick. The first foam I did get was the New York Knicks Foamposite, and it was not because of the colorway, it's just because I always wanted a pair of Foamposites, and I finally got my own money. I was like, hell yeah, I'm about to buy me a pair of foams. That's probably like the most trash one I got in my collection, I would say. Got the Red October ones, I got these, and I'm gonna show you a couple other ones. But these right here released February, All-Star Weekend last year, and I was like, I gotta cop them, man. But I took an L, and I went back on StockX to drop that bag on these things. So I spent this is probably my most expensive sneaker pickup in my whole collection, not worth-wise, but what I spent for the sneaker is the most I spent on any sneaker at one time, man. So y'all go and check these out. Foamposite. I'm trying to put y'all on game real quick that your boy DeVintage has been a Foamposite lover, man. So y'all go check out the sneaker collection videos. Some of these foams I'm about to share right now was not on that Foamposite sneaker collection or Foamposite collection. I did a lace tutorial on the Foamposites, one of my most viewed videos on my channel, and people like that. They liked how I laced them, and yeah, man, I'm just trying to put y'all on game, man. So when I come to y'all and say I'm trying to get these DBs because I ain't trying to pay that $800 that it is going for before this, I'm definitely trying to cop them tomorrow, man. Hopefully I get them for that retail, that draw tomorrow, but we're gonna get into that after I show you these two other ones. And then next we have the Gucci Foamposites. I know that brightness is crazy. Let me turn it down real quick. But here you go right here, the Gucci Foamposites. Right there, you see that green and that white, man. Very, very dope colorway. And the shoe is starting to yellow. You probably can't see it on camera, but this shoe is definitely starting to yellow. But still, dope foams. Foams last a very, very long time. And believe it or not, I wore these shoes a lot, man. Got a lot of lint in there, stuff like that. But like I said, here go another one. Gucci Foamposites, check them out. All right, and last but not least that I want to show y'all that probably wasn't on my sneaker collection or my Foamposite collection video. Here you have it right here. The, what's it, hologram Foamposites, I believe. There you go right here, man. Probably one of my favorites behind the Galaxy 2.0s. And I heard we're supposed to be getting the Galaxy, the regular, the 1.0s this year. So if we get those, I get those for retail. It's probably another grill. Checked off the list for retail, man. Like, it's crazy when you can go back and get the shoes you want for retail, man. It's a major blessing from the sneaker guys, man. So check these out right here. Hologram Foamposites, one of my dopest foams in my collection. Maybe one of the dopest sneakers in my collection. With that being said, yeah, that's just some of the foams that I have. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link to my Foamposite collection video in the description box below. And it's crazy because I just started getting, like, you can check how your views is going with your YouTube channel. Like, my sneaker collection or my Foamposite sneaker collection video is like going crazy right now. Like, the views is going crazy for the last 48 hours or whatever. And also my how to lace Foamposite video is like going crazy. I don't know. Everybody want to get the DB foams now. I don't know what it is. You know, people got the hype beast in them. They was going for about a band. Now they're going for probably around $250, $300 range after this restock. And I'm definitely going to go and cop a pair regardless if I got to go on StockX. Because I know the price is going to drop more than halfway, you know what I'm saying? They took the value away from the sneaker with re-releasing it. Hey, and now I'm fine with that. I don't care about having, I guess you could say, bricks in my collection or GRs, stuff like that. If I like a shoe, I'm going to go get it. Y'all know I love Foamposites. Like I said, I'm going to leave that Foamposite collection video in the description box below and that lacing story so I can check it out. Because I know everybody want to get foams now because they're re-retro on these DBs. But yeah, they will be releasing tomorrow, February 21st. For $230. Foamposite is always expensive. It's crazy, I know. It is what it is though. But I just remembered a sneaker that I do have that kind of resembles these DBs, and it is the Red Octobers. Now it's crazy I just brought them up, brought them up in the video. But here you have it, the Red October Yeezys, man. This is probably one of my favorite shoes in my collection, man. That all red, that red and black carbon fiber is very dope. And this is pretty much the DB, besides, you know what I'm saying, the black flames and stuff like that. I haven't seen like the outsole of the DBs, which is crazy, because there's not a lot of reviews on YouTube about those DBs. I think the only one I watched was the one Scoop 2A did. But these right here are very, very, very dope, bro. Very dope. And them DBs, I'm telling you, people gonna want them. People gonna want them. Hopefully this wake the Foamposite sneaker lovers or sneaker heads side of things up, because I thought the Galaxy 2.0 was gonna do it. And hopefully the DBs do it for the Foamposite, man. Give it some life. Give us some more dope colorways. We got the eggplants. We got a lot of OGs last year. And yeah, now we finally get these DBs, and hopefully we get the Galaxy 1.0s. That'd be very, very dope. Very dope. But yeah, the DB foams, I keep saying it, tomorrow, February 21st. If you don't know how to cop, SNKRS App, download it. Go in your app store, whatever you got, Galaxy. If you got an iPhone, go get the SNKRS App. Go ahead and put your card information on there. Go ahead and put your thumbprint on your phone. Put your card information in there. And a tip real quick for you guys. Do not put your card, try to go through PayPal, because I copped the Travis Scott Air Force Ones, but they did a fraud detect because I was over here in Germany. My card's still registered in the States. So they nixed that. They took the whole shoe, the whole transaction away from me, put the money back in my account, and I didn't get them. And then the next week, or I think the next day, I believe, I hit on the Raptor 4s, and I got another text message. I still got the screenshots, and they said another fraud protection. So I was like, man, fuck that. I'm about to go ahead and get the PayPal. And the crazy thing about that, I ain't gonna lie, there ain't been shoes that I really wanted to get. That was like a regular 9 o'clock drop. Everything I've been wanting is like a draw. And these DBs is a draw. You already know the bots. I don't know how the bots still eating up these sneakers on the SNKRS App. But they are. So hopefully tomorrow I get a big W. I'm not hype beasting about this, man. You already know I love the phones. Like I said, check out the collection video. And yeah, 2:30, February 21st. Y'all let me know if y'all comment in the comment section below. This is a big all for me. This is a big clap to Nike for bringing these shoes back out, re-retroing them or re-releasing them for us. Like I said in my last video in the beginning, the Air Jordan 6 Doernbechers was rumored to drop sometime this year. And I think recently they said maybe by the end of this month. So hopefully we do. It's a lot of DBs dropping, as y'all can see, the Air Maxes, the Foamposites. You never know, they might hit us with a big hurrah on the Air Jordan 6 Doernbechers. And this, I'm telling y'all, if I can get a pair of those, that would mean a lot to me, and it'd be crazy for my sneaker collection and the whole, you know what I'm saying, me getting sneaker like journey. It'd be very dope. If I do cop them, I'll do a review and on FIFA for you guys. So hopefully we can hit, hopefully I can hit, hopefully everybody can get a pair. I wish everybody can get a pair, but you already know how it is. Somebody gotta take a L, and hopefully it ain't me. So y'all let me know if y'all think the Air Jordan 6 Doernbechers will be releasing soon. That'd be dope if they did. Air Jordan 6 DBs. Crazy, lost for words. So let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate all of the support. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Every goal for the videos is 100 likes. Comment, let me know if you're copying. Subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another banger from your boy DeVintage. And go ahead and go follow me over on Instagram at DeVintageWorld. The link will be in the description box below, along with the Nike Foamposite collection video and the how to lace Air Foamposite video, man. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.